Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CorelDraw tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to export your logo file in PNG, full transparent background without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here, just like I'm going to use this logo as an example here. You can see this is a vertical logo, and I'm going to show you how to export the logo without any background. Okay, now first thing first, make sure there is no any single background in the logo. So if I try and select all the logo file right here, then you find out that it's of no background right here. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z to go back right here. So how do we export this logo without background? What we want to do here is to go ahead and we'll make sure we come to the top right here. We go ahead and click on File, and then we come down below right here. We'll make sure we click on Export. Having click on export, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and we'll make sure we choose our file destination. So I'm going to save to desktop, then I'm going to save to file backup, then go ahead and click on save as type right here. So what you want to do here is to make sure you choose PNG, portable network graphics, then go ahead and click on export. Then here you go. You can see here that this particular logo here is not going to have a background. So here, what you need to do right here is to go ahead and come down below right here. Simply click on OK. Just like so. So I'm going to minimize my current file and I will open up my backup file. Then this is the logo right here. So once I open up the logo, you find out that the logo is a full PNG transparent background. It's that simple. More tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDraw software. Consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I